Discover professional rejuvenation at a fraction of the cost with the Bionic Tech RF Pro Facelifter. Enhance collagen growth and deeply revitalize your skin, reducing wrinkles and fine lines with multipolar deep radio frequency. Safety is paramount with 150 times per second NTC temperature detection, maintaining an optimal temperature between 37 to 42 degrees. Achieve effective contouring and lifting with EMS current frequency conversion, improving sagging skin. Infrared light revitalizes the skin's base, improving elasticity and firmness for a radiant look. Experience professional beauty rejuvenation at home with 3 powerful modes. Full face firming mode infuses skin with anti-aging ingredients for deep rejuvenation. Face and eye mode targets wrinkles with radio frequency, EMS, and infrared light for visible anti-aging results. V-Lift mode lifts and contours both face and body using radio frequency, lifting EMS and infrared light. Get stunning rejuvenation results at a fraction of the cost of beauty clinics. Elevate your skincare routine with the Bionic Tech RF Pro Facelifter. Bionic Tech RF Pro Facelifter, professional rejuvenation results at home. Shop with me, get the best and be happy.